Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Here's how to lock or unlock cells in Microsoft Excel 2016 and 2013. Select the cells you wish to modify. Choose the Home tab. In the Cells area, select Format, greater than, Format Cells. Select the Protection tab. Uncheck the box for Locked to unlock the cells. Check the box to lock them. Select OK.
Let's help you make your mark.
Remove scroll lock in Excel using on-screen keyboard. Click the Windows button and start typing, on-screen keyboard, in the search box. Click the on-screen keyboard app to run it. The virtual keyboard will show up, and you click the SCRLK key to remove scroll lock. The 23rd of May 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
How to unprotect Excel sheet. Right-click the Sheet tab, and select Unprotect Sheet, from the context menu. On the Review tab, in the Changes group, click Unprotect Sheet. On the Home tab, in the Cells group, click Format, and select Unprotect Sheet from the drop-down menu. The 10th of February 2016.
Make your mark, take our lead.
New member. You can protect cells, or whole rows or columns, by highlighting the cells, i.e. data input cells. You don't want to protect, then click on Format, to, Cells, to, Protection, tab. Uncheck the Locked box. Now protect your worksheet and/or workbooks with a password.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How to unprotect a password-protected worksheet. Step 1. Press Alt plus F11 or click View Code on the Developers tab. Step 2. Double-click on the worksheet that is password-protected. Step 3. Copy and paste the code below into the Code window. Step 4. Click on the Run button or press F5.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.